Hi everyone, welcome to May's Real Estate Report with Ryan Peterson and Royal LePage Kelowna. Market stabilization. So a noticeable shift in the Okanagan real estate market from a mere 4 months ago. So it might be premature to say, but I think the bottom of the market was in January. So that was our inflection point. We know that the peak of the market was last March, and I think we've now hit that bottom and are starting to stabilize. If we look at the listed sales ratio metric, also known say as the absorption rate, only 26% of homes listed in January actually sold. We fast forward that to April, the listed sales ratio almost doubled to 48%. So we're seeing a lot more homes listed selling in a given month, which means improved market conditions, and the market has moved from a buyer's market in January to a balanced market now in April. Other key metrics point to improving market conditions as well. We look at the average days to sell, it is slowly dropping and trending downward again. January was 79 days versus April at 62 days. The months of inventory peaked at 11 months in January. That has retreated to 5.6 months in April. And finally, negotiations are becoming tighter. So it's not uncommon to see multiple offers in well-priced entry to mid-level product. So what is attributed to the shift in market conditions, you might say? Well, I believe there's a few factors. So interest rates, we know, have stabilized for the time being, and that's providing a little bit more certainty for buyers out there. Perhaps some buyers that held off during the COVID years are starting to re-enter the market. Now, all that being said, the US did raise their interest overnight lending rate recently a quarter point, so we'll see how Canada responds to that. The other factor too is new construction just isn't keeping up with the demand and immigration into our beautiful area. So that is also putting pressure on price. Now, biggest opportunities that I see out there are homeowners looking to move up, say from a condo townhouse, which was maybe a stepping stone before they got into a house. So the housing market in that 1 million to 1.5 million range saw a lot of pain correction in comparison to the average townhouse condo during the correction. So there's definitely upside for buyers looking to get into, or homeowners looking to get into an upgraded property. Now, May, June, July are going to be our greatest months for sales. That's where we see the highest level of sales transact. So for home sellers, now is a great time. Obviously, properties are showing great. Everything's green. The flowers are out. And there's definitely a good opportunity. Anyways, be sure to tune in to June's edition of the Real Estate Market Report. And happy to answer any questions. Reach out anytime with any advice that you might need. Take care and all the best. Bye.